Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start in the app, launch Bgmi and tap the gear icon to open settings. Once inside, go to the audio tab and find the music controls. Set the music slider to 0 to stop theme music immediately. Make sure you also uncheck any play background music or theme music toggle if present, because some updates separate theme audio from general music. Doing this first cuts the soundtrack without affecting voice chat or important game cues. Once done with in-game settings, make sure your device media volume is low or muted. Press the volume keys and adjust media, not ringtone. Close any music apps like Spotify or YouTube, because they sometimes resume and override game audio on startup. If Bgmi still plays theme music, restrict background app refresh or app permissions for background audio so the game can't trigger its music on launch. This doubles down on silence and prevents external apps from reintroducing the theme. You're almost done. Force close Bgmi and reopen to confirm the theme is gone. This ensures new audio settings take effect. If the music returns, clear the app cache in Android or offload the app on iOS so temporary audio settings reset. If settings won't persist after clearing cache, reinstall the game. Make sure to back up your account first. Troubleshooting tip. If theme music still plays, check for third-party sound mods or profiles, and disable them before contacting Bgmi support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.